Hi all, it's dusk as promised. I'm photographing the process of getting my studio packed up. Looks like quite the mess now. Most of the guitars are down, got some light fixtures down. Later today I'm going to be popping off the cloud and got the rack out from the wall. Spent a lot of time last night actually physically removing some cabling from the wall, as you can see. So taking the multi-pair with me because it's pretty expensive and the new owner doesn't need it. Got a lot of stuff to deal with in the back of the rack here. So most of this week is going to be just clearing a space for me to get to work on all the gear. Quick update. So basically I had some inspections done yesterday. The studio is going to be really nice. It's about almost 3 times the size of this one. So I'm going to be able to do a lot more with it, and it's much higher ceilings too. And we're supposed to close on this house here a week from today, so I got my work cut out for me. Hope to get it all done. Take it easy. So I got a bunch of my 1073s and 1272s packed up. You'll notice I went really crazy with the bubble wrap. For equipment of this expense, you really got to go to the trouble to make sure that you pack it right. And one of my biggest pet peeves buying gear off of eBay and to a certain extent Reverb is people just don't spend enough time really packing stuff correctly. And I've really wrapped all of these things with at least 2 or 3 wraps of bubble wrap. So when all is said and done, this stuff should be pretty protected. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that.